Namaste. So today's topic in pharmaceutical analysis is the significant value, accuracy, and the precision. Let's start. As we all studied before, what is significant value and what is the accuracy, and now we will study in the deep what is the significant value, what is accuracy, and what is significant figure, what's precision. So measurement may be accurate means that the measuring value is the same as the true value. They may be precision meaning that multiple measurements give nearly identical value, or that we can say as reproducible value. They may be both accurate and precision, or they may be either accurate nor precision. The goal of scientists is to obtain measuring value that are both accurate and precision. Suppose, for example, the sample of gold was measured on one balance and found is 1.896 gram. On the different balance, it will find 1.125 gram. Then we will we will carefully measure and repeat the measurement, and then we can show here you can see the example of balance 1 and balance 2, and here we and balance 3. Here we getting the different values on each balance. So first calculate the average value of all the measurement. First we will calculate all the average value of all the measurement. So for the average value, average equal to sum of measurements, number of measurement, average equal to sum of the measurement, number of measurement. Next is calculate the derivation of each measurement, which is the absolute value of the difference between each measurement and the average value. Deviation is measurement average. Measurement minus average is deviation, and deviation is measurements minus average, as I told you. Next is the add all the deviation and divide by the number of measurement to be obtained to get the average value. In this we will sum all the deviation number which are given, and then we will divide it by the number of observation which we get. Next is the significant figure. No measurement is free from error. Error is introduced by the limitation of instrument and measuring device, such as the size of the division on a graduated cylinder and the imperfection of human senses. Although error is calculated can be enormous, they do not contribute to the uncertainty in the measurement. Chemists describe the estimated degree of error in a measurement as the uncertainty of the measurement, and they are careful to report all measured values using only significant figure number that describe the value without aggregating the degree to which it is known to be accurate. Chemists report as a significant all numbers known with the absolute certainty plus one more digit that is understood to contain some uncertainty. The uncertainty is the final digit is usually assured or assumed to be uh, plus minus 1 unless otherwise stated. The following rule can be developed for counting the number of significant figure in the measurement of the calculation. First is non-zero digit is significant. Any zero between the non-zero digit are significant. The number 2005 for the example of 4 significant figures. Any zero using and placeholder precision, the first non-zero digit are non-significant. So 0.05 has one significant figure because the zero is usually indicate the placement of the digit 5. In contrast, 0.050 has two significance because the last two digits correspond to the number is 50. The last zero is not placeholder as an additional example. You can see here when a number does not contain a decimal point, zero add after a zero non-zero number may or may not be significant. For example, in the number 100, which may be interpreted as having one or two or three significant figure. The fifth is integrate obtained either by counting object or from definition are exact number which are considered to have infinity many significant figure. If we have counted four objects for example, then the number 4 has an infinite number of significant figure. Similarly, 1 feet or foot is defined to contain 12 inches, so the number 12 is on the equal and is a significant number. So hope you will understand about the rule and how we can calculate the significant numbers. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.